everyone. Today we've got the DJI Studio for editing your 360 footage from your Avata 360. We're going to try and show anyone that's new to editing 360 a simple way of doing your video and get the shots that you want. Okay, so let's get started. First off, on the left hand side there, we've imported some footage. So let's click on the first one and we'll click the plus sign to add it to the timeline down here. Okay, so we have this. Okay, let's start this. Okay, I wanna get it so it's flying towards the tower. I think at some point here it stops, so let's try and move it ahead. Okay, move it ahead a little bit more. Okay, let's move it ahead a little bit more. And a little bit more. Let's see if it's actually traveling. It's not quite traveling yet. We'll just let this play for a second. Okay, let's move it a little bit more. Okay, I think we're in position now. Okay, we are in position. So right up here on this bar, if you click this one, this will be the beginning of the video. When you want to end the video, you can click this one here. This is a tracking button, and this is your key point, keyframe. Okay, let's hang on a sec. Okay, let's stop this. Okay, so we're gonna start. Okay, let's start all over here. Okay, so we're here at our starting point, and we have this view here. Okay, now on the right hand side, what you're gonna do is you may be in camera view. What you want to do is put it into free view. Okay, now in free view, we can add keyframes. So for now, let's zoom this in. Okay, we're gonna do that. And let's add a keyframe right there. Okay, and let's click play. Okay, now let's zoom out. And let's point the camera down. And let's add another keyframe. And let's hit play. Okay, now let's zoom out and make a tiny planet. Okay, and let's add another keyframe. And let's click play. Okay, let's stop that. Let's turn this and let's zoom in. We'll rotate that a little bit and let's stick another keyframe and let's click play. Let's stop it there. Let's zoom out. Let's zoom out there. Okay, we got a shot there. Let's add another keyframe. Let's click play. Okay, now let's do an inversion here and zoom out more. Okay, let's move this to where we want it. Let's add another keyframe. Let's click play. This, I would say, guys, is probably the easiest way if you've never edited 360 video, and you're going to have that camera always pointing exactly where you want it. Okay, let's stop this here, and let's click another keyframe. Okay, now let's change that view. Where are we at? Okay. Okay, we're going to take this view. Okay, we're going to add a keyframe. And we're going to fly. Okay, we're going to stop there. And we're going to zoom in. Okay, that's the shot we want. We're going to add a keyframe. And we're going to fly a bit more. Okay, let's stop it there. Let's change the view. Let's see what view. Let's change it here. Let's click a keyframe. Let's move here. Okay, now there's people down here. Let's zoom in. Okay, let's get that shot. Let's add a keyframe. Okay, let's go here. Now we could even do tracking here. We could click on this and circle these people, and we could start tracking. And you can see the camera is moving to track those people. Yeah, if you're new to editing, this is probably the easiest way to edit your 360 video. Okay, let's stop the tracking there. Now it's going to go back after it does the tracking, it's going to go back here. So let's just click play. It's going to go back to what you just filmed. Just let it play out. Okay, it's going to come to the end here where we can switch the camera again. Okay, I think it's past. Yeah, it's past there. So now we can change that camera and we're going to zoom out and look down at the river here. Okay, we're going to add a keyframe and we're going to click play. Yeah, this is definitely the easiest way if you're new to editing 360 footage. And you're going to get the shots that you actually want. Okay, I don't want to make this boring for you, so I think what we'll do is do a couple more keyframes and then we're going to end this. Okay, so let's get a shot here. You know, you just drag to where you want that shot and add a keyframe. And we'll click play. Yeah, yeah, this is the easiest way. Okay, now when you've finished all your shots and you want to say stop it here, then here could be the end of the video. You just click end and it cuts it off here. Now, if you want to change the coloring here, up at the top, they have different filters. I like this shot here. This one here kind of adds to it. So I just click on that and you can see how it's, you know, changed. But you could click other ones, you know, there's different ones here to get what you want for coloring. What do we got here? They have so many to edit, but I like this one, so let's put that one in there. Okay, so let's go back and let's play it and see how our shots are. Okay, we have all our keyframes in there, and let's hit play. Very cool, very easy, guys. Very easy. DJI has really done a great job with this studio. So don't be afraid to edit 360. This is probably your simplest way to get the shots that you actually want. Yeah, it's so cool, so simple. So I thought I'd just do a little video and show everybody that's a little bit hesitant about editing. And really, you know, we only spent 5 or 6 minutes doing this just for this short clip, so it's not a really a big deal. I'm not sure if this actually added. Okay, now it's added it. Okay. Yeah, you have to click the plus sign there. Okay, so excuse me. Let's finish playing this out. If you like this technique and you want to see more of this, please leave a comment in the comment section below. And if you're new to the channel and you want to learn more about 360, please subscribe. Okay, this is the shot where we actually came in and we started tracking this little group right here. And you'll see that tracking take place. Yeah, it's doing the tracking. So easy, guys. You just gotta make sure you're in free view. This will definitely make your workflow much easier for editing. Okay, and then we're back here. We're almost done here. I just want to play this out, and then we can export it. Yeah, and the color looks great. Okay, guys, if you like this, give us a thumbs up. I appreciate the watch. I hope somebody got something out of this video. We just want to make it easy for anybody that's wanting the DJI Avata 360. All right, guys, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.